In the heart of the enchanted forest, nestled among the ancient oaks and carpeted territories of moss, lived a brave little fox named Sunny. Sunny was known throughout the forest for his cheerful attitude and adventurous spirit that was both loved and envied by all his forest friends. One sunny morning, as snowflakes twinkled gently from the sky, Sunny was out exploring when he stumbled upon something remarkable. Tucked behind a curtain of glittering ivy was the entrance to a secret cave, shimmering with a light that danced like no other he had seen. Curiosity wove through him like the streams of light that beckoned him forward. Inside the cave, Sunny's eyes widened in wonder. The walls glistened with countless glowing crystals, casting a soft, magical glow all around. Each crystal seemed to hum with an energy that felt ancient and mysterious. Instinctively, Sunny knew he had discovered something special. As he wandered deeper, he heard a rustling sound. Out pounced a mischievous little squirrel named Chip. Chip was notorious for his cheeky antics and daring pranks. "What brings you to my secret hideout?" Chip chattered, flicking his bushy tail with suspicion. Sunny grinned. "Just exploring, Chip. This place is incredible. Have you ever seen anything like it?" Chip nodded sagely. "I've made this my little getaway. But there's more to this cave than meets the eye." Just then, a wise old owl named Oliver appeared from the shadows. Oliver, with his wise eyes and knowing smile, perched above them. "This cave holds many secrets," Oliver hooted softly, "and it ties to the mystery that shadows our forest." The glowing crystals, Oliver explained, contain the pure essence of the forest's magic. "They are why our forest is so vibrant and full of life. But they are losing their glow, and with it, the forest is in danger." Working together, Sunny, Chip, and Oliver pieced together the mystery. A little farther into the depths of the cave was a tunnel that led to the heart of the forest, a place where the oldest and brightest crystal, the Heartstone, lay. "It's up to us to protect it," Sunny declared, his eyes alight with determination. The three friends ventured deeper, finding the Heartstone surrounded by creeping shadows. It pulsed weakly, its glow fading. "There's an enchantment," Oliver deduced, "disturbing its energy. We must unravel it." Chip, with his nimble fingers, snatched acorns from his stash, arranging them in patterns. Oliver studied them, hooting the ancient spells from his ancestors, while Sunny focused his brave spirit on keeping the shadows at bay. With a flurry of a final spell, the enchantment shattered, freeing the Heartstone. Slowly it reignited, sending beams of light cascading through the cave, restoring the crystal's glow. As they emerged, the forest welcomed them with renewed vitality. Flowers blossomed, birds sang merrily, and sunlight danced through the leaves. Sunny, Chip, and Oliver were hailed as heroes, and the mystery of the enchanted forest stood resolved, its magic vibrant once more. Through bravery, teamwork, and unexpected alliances, Sunny had not only discovered the beauty of the shimmering secret cave, but had also saved his beloved home. Every animal knew, whenever mysteries unfurled, Sunny the brave little fox and his friends would be ready for their next adventure.